Hi, welcome to my channel. My name's James. I'm a creative artist from New Jersey, a visual artist. I've been painting and drawing almost every single day for the past 10 years of my life. A little bit of background on me. I went to school from 1999 to 1997 to 2000, 1997, my dates are all mixed up. From 1997 to 1999, I studied fine art and sculpture. From 1999 to roughly 2001, I studied advertising design and illustration. And from 2009 to 2010, I studied multimedia design and animation. So I have a lot of knowledge in this head of mine, and I figured that I would share some of my knowledge with you. Art school is not affordable for everybody. In fact, art school is quite expensive. Even just taking up art as a hobby is quite expensive as well. So I figured that since, art school is not accessible for everybody, I would give you or share some of my knowledge with you guys, my audience. The channel will primarily be based around the basics of drawing and painting, foundations of drawing and painting. I think they're absolutely essential for people to understand. The more you understand about the basics, the easier, more complex things will become for you. So, I hope you enjoy the channel, and I look forward to sharing all of my knowledge with you guys. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can follow me on IG at Marz_Lumo.com. You can drop a comment in below, and I'll do my best to get back to you and answer questions. A little bit about me and my art. I am primarily an abstract painter. I work in a cubist style, street art style of painting and drawing. I love bright, vibrant colors, abstract shapes. I love finding shapes within shapes, and I love breathing life into them. I think that putting life into a painting is a beautiful thing. So, outside of all that, everything, I hope that you all can find some kind of valuable information, and it will help you in your journey of art. So, welcome to the channel, and enjoy.